Alright guys, so there's the property. I got word the other day that the core drill passed, so I'd say they'll start building the clinic there before too long. And here's the property that I cleared for the guy that my neighbor out here. Uh, right in there's some yellow flags. You can see them there in the video. Um, that's where we're going to build his little house or whatever we do, if we do. I don't know what he really decided, but I got some more work over here to do. We're still wanting to clean this gully out. We ain't got on that yet. Hopefully when the weather breaks a little, we can get back to work on that. Fixing to burn that brush pile, so that'll be in the video. Y'all stay tuned for that. It may not be this video, but I will have it on video, so y'all stay tuned for that. That's a pretty good sized pile of brush. There's no really way to explain it unless I park something beside it so you can see it. But yeah. Alright guys. So the sun's shining good and bright this morning. We're back over here. I told you we'd be back. I didn't know it was going to be in this video, but I know we'd be back anyway. So get this gate open and see if I can't get this thing unloaded. We're going to start. We got some brush we need to get burned up here. And he's been on to me wanting to burn brush, so we're going to burn brush probably today. If something happens, the wind blows it was to get out, I'm going to say, well, that old fart told me to light it. So, you know, it'll be what it is. But, alright guys, so we got that right there. Wouldn't take me much. I'd load that on the trailer and haul it over here to this pile and just burn it all in one place. This right over here is what I burnt the last time I was here. And I scraped up some little stuff and piled up right here. Just scrap and remains of whatever it needs to be put over there in that thing. And that actually cleaned up pretty well. It burned up good. So there's a little bit left, but it's not a whole lot. So hopefully I can dig a borrow pit somewhere and get some dirt, and I can put stuff like that and that in the borrow pit and not have to have as much dirt to fill it back up. And what dirt's left I can bring up here and spread out over some of these rocks and fix some of this. Yeah, so that's got that pretty well piled up. I'll come back this evening and we'll light that and try to keep it bunched up. I think they're wanting those for firewood. I'm not sure. If not, we'll put them on there too. Wanted to get it away from that tree there, but we'll get that lit this evening. I got to run a couple errands right quick, and when I get back, I'll keep working. I got some more I want to rake up around here, and get all this piled up, ready to light tonight. I think we're gonna light at about 5 or 6 o'clock, and work till the sun goes down, I guess, and then sit by the fire. But I'll leave the machine here, that way I can keep it piled up as it burns down, and there'll be hardly nothing left. That old stump, I need to pull that stump out, put it on top of the fire once it gets started and gets good and hot. Maybe it'll burn up. So anyway, weenies, there it is. I've got it out. I've got a tire put on it, and made it look pretty good, didn't it? I need one more of those wheels like that. I've got another tire that matches that one. I need to get another one put on the other side, and I'll have good tires on it then. I've got the tire, I just need to find another wheel like that one. But I brought it over here. I'm going to do some work with it before I try to cut that bed off. I want all that little bit of brush over here. So I'm going to load it in there, and I can haul it over here like that. But yeah, got her out, got her going. So fixing to light this fire up. The machine's still here. I'll go get it here in a minute, bring it back up here, and see if we can't get some of this burn up. I need to push more of this over, that right there out. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoys the video. We'll get a little fire going, and let me get this started, and I'll be right back. Alright, so guys, getting the fire going there. It's starting to take off a little bit. So go over here and get the excavator and fill it up. And I need to tram it over there and load that stuff over there up. And it needs to be brought over here, either to this pile or that pile on the bottom. I may just bring it to right here and unload it and try to get it burned up with this stuff. So what don't burn up here, the bigger stuff, if it don't burn up completely, I'll take and load it and haul it down there to that. Hopefully we can get all this burned up at one time somewhere. So what don't burn up, when I burn the last pile, I'm trying to save that pile down there for the last pile. It's a big pile. It's going to be fun to burn. We're going to try to burn it late at night. And what don't burn up here, I'm going to try to haul down there and see if we can't burn it all down there. What's left down there, like I said, I'm going to try to dig a borrow pit somewhere to bury these ashes and some old wire and stuff and cover that back up. And I'll probably fill that in over there with some dirt. They're wanting to build a big shed here to park under, so that'll be coming too. But anyway, guys, hold tight. There we go, weenies. Got her going. Got the groundhog here with me. It's hot. Good hot fire. Alright guys, so the fire's burning down pretty good. I've got my sidekick and the groundhog here helping me. So good night for a fire. Old truck bed trailer, it works good. Got the tire put on it. I'll try to catch some more of that later on in the next video or something in the daylight where y'all can see it good. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and keep cranking. We'll catch you in the next one.